Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a voiceover because this was just an experiment. I did a painting, didn't like it, scraped the paint that you see on the top of your screen and bottom of my and close to bottom of my canvas, or how can I say, and some white. And I decided that I will try to do a pour with intention to create a tree. Of course, it's still an abstract art, but I want to try if you can do a tree. I love trees, so I basically did just some black and white for the trunk, and I will use copper and bronze and gold and this little piggy pigments Bilabong with those colors. So I'm basically here just doing the top of the tree. Yeah, not realistic one, but it still turned out kind of cool. So I will let you watch. I will fiddle quite a lot. I will blow out the thing, then fiddle with my fingers with that handy dandy blowing tool from paintpourstore.com. Yeah, I will fiddle with fingers, dotting tools, and I will even do some adjustments on the dry painting. The trunk was just too wide, too big, I don't know, but still it's, I think, a good idea, interesting one, and I will definitely do some more, but this is the first one that I wanted to show you anyway. So watch the video and tell me in the comments what you think about that. So here she is, not completely dried, but almost. The shimmer from Bilabong and copper and gold is just gorgeous. This background, I don't know, because it was just, you know, my scrape of paints. Not sure about this part here, a little too black here, but you got the idea. I did add a little more of that background here, color here, because the trunk was just too big. Still is, but we can improve. But I really like the look. And I will definitely go with this again. Try to control it a little more with the trunk, maybe a little more, I don't know, but it was a fun experiment. And as I said, I did a voiceover because it was just scrape off some paint and try to play with the hairdryer, and I didn't talk through, I just did a voiceover because of that. But I think it's worth to publish. Maybe it will inspire you to try that too. Definitely I am inspired, and thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!